guys, it's Alyson down at the North End Organic Nursery again. I just want to show you how easy it is to plant a cute little succulent garden. Most important thing, I think, when you're potting up a succulent planter is to use the right soil medium. We love the palm, cactus, and citrus planting mix by Gardener & Bloom. It's sandy, very well drained, won't drown your cute little succulents. Get yourself a cute little container. You can only fit about 2 tops in these little guys. I picked the purple one here because it just matches the blues. And then it's nice to have a little thriller up top to give some height to your plantings. Massage the roots a little so they don't get root bound. Pop them right in your planter. Top with a little bit of soil. Press them down in there and leave yourself just a little bit of room so the water doesn't overflow. Then water them in. Clean off the sides. And there you go, the best little dorm gifts, teacher's gifts, or a gift for you. Come on down and see us. 3777 West Chinden Boulevard.